4:45. 4:45 in the morning. Now this is the earliest ride right here. The earliest. But I said August, I gotta get it in. Let go. It is out here. Dark. Sunrise in a minute. Rolling by myself, just calling it out. I'm out. Whew. 5:04. 18 minutes in. I'm at Flow Valley. They say 4.32 away. That was a nice little workout. Hot out here, sweating already. Look at that. It's about 80-something degrees. That was a nice little workout. Too dark though, so I had to wear my prescription. I couldn't bring my shades out this early. It's too dark. Let's go. Caught up with the gang. Early morning ride, Flow Valley. Let go. Well, got in 16 miles with the regulators. So now I'm gonna mosey on back toward the crib. See how many I can get real quick. Hopefully we can ride later on. I only need 47 miles to complete 420 miles for the month. So we'll see what we can do. All right, we get back to work. 22 miles in. They got that barbecue smelling so good at Sugar Fire. I may go over there this week. Never been yet. Smelling so good. I've been wanting some barbecue. Let me cross the street. 27 miles in. Whew, that was some good work. Muscle love. I need 20 more miles for 420. If I get it, cool. If I don't, it's cool.
I'm not sure. Been off 2 days, honey. I can't say.
How you doing, babe? What's the word?
What's up? Legs working right now. We don't need charged up yet. Gonna see how it go.
Already.
2 days off, 2 days too long.
All that rain.
Yeah.
How fast you going? All right. Go. It's a little work, but hey, it's all good. That's what we came for. We came for the work. We came for it. Car up. We came for the work. Good job. Push through, push through. Push through. Ran up on some hill work. You still got some gears, babe. Get to them gears. Spin them legs, you got one more. There you go. If you would have been in the right gear, you wouldn't have been tired. When you're in the wrong gear, it's, pushing your muscles. Good job. Yeah, I think we done got us a good one, y'all. She has been rolling really good. We're about to go on our 3rd month of training. And I think she's looking real good. We're just gonna keep being consistent. Gonna do our winter training. This right here is prepping us for 2025.